Hi, it's Ashley and Conrad here at Createful Art, and today we're
going to draw a dolphin.
There is a lesson plan that goes along with this lesson and 11 other beach-themed art lessons at createfulart.com. The link is in the description below.
Please subscribe.
Let's get started. So first you're going to need some supplies. Here's what you're going to need. You're going to want a piece of paper, some colored pencils or watercolor pencils. You're going to want a marker. Here's a bunch of different kinds, but you just need one. You may want a ruler. You need something round to trace around. Pencil and eraser. That's all you're going to need. So let's get started. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to sketch your dolphin with your pencil. So start your pencil over here, which is kind of near this corner, but down here. Yep, good. Okay, so you're going to start with a curved line that curves down to this spot right there. Perfect! Okay, now this right here comes in and goes down, kind of like a bump. Bump. Okay, this is the forehead of the dolphin. Okay, so this is going to be where the eye is, right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to come in and you're going to reach that little eye, where the eye kind of would be, and then you're going to go down and get closer to this line.
Like this?
Yeah. Okay, so now you're going to draw the nose. So you're going to start where that little, where you were going in right here, and you're going to go up, like a curved up, and then you're going to make a pointy nose that comes back in and reaches the spot. Kind of looks like a baseball cap.
Yeah.
See that?
If you just did go right down.
Uh-huh. Now make it a smooth line. Yep. There you go. Okay. So now it kind of looks like it's smiling, huh? Now right underneath here is the bottom part of the mouth, and it kind of has a little bumpy, and then it comes in to about right here. So if you want to draw a little spot.
Like right here?
Yep. Perfect. Okay. Fix that a little bit. And then this right here is going to come down and it's going to meet this line right here. Now you want it to start curving right under this. See, like that. See, yours is really good. So you're going to make a bump right here, and then it's going to curve down and then meet this line. Okay, ready for your flipper?
Yeah.
Okay, you're going to come down like this and just a straight line down till it gets to this point right here, and then it curves in like that, curved little line, and it has a rounded little point right here, and it goes up. Yeah. Okay. You see where this line is? If you were to draw a line to this other side, that's where you want your other flipper to start. This one's going to come out like this, and then it's going to come back in like that, then up.
Yeah, these are small.
Yeah. Okay. So if we were to draw a line to here like this, this is where your fin would start. Now you want to just draw a straight line out. That. Oh, that's kind of up. See, just straight out. And then you curve down slanted. Then it rounds, yep. Then it rounds just a little round and then curves back in. Okay, now you want your eyeball, and your eyeball is going to go right where the mouth was, curving right there. Okay, at the bottom you have the tail. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to just do a curved line out like that. Same curved line. And then these come up and back down and point. Right there in the middle.
This.
Down. Yeah, that's pretty close. Down and up. Point like this. Up. Like it's a sideways S.
Like this?
Or a wave. That looks good. Okay. Now are we ready for our sun?
Yeah.
So we're going to have this dolphin jumping out of the water and in front of the sun. So we're going to put our round object on our dolphin here. And we're going to go around our dolphin. And we don't want to go over our dolphin. Just around it. See? Maybe it's the moon. It could be the sun or the moon. Whatever you want it to be. Okay. And then there's going to be splashes down here. We're splashing. So to make splashes, I'm going to draw some curved lines that go behind the tail. And then they come in like that. And another one behind this one, curling like that. And then it comes out like this and curls. Out like this and curls. Some way down here that are curling. Down here that are curling. Some that are not curling. Some lines. Some bubbles.
Little splashes of water that are flying everywhere.
Yep. And then here's our ocean little wave that's going to come here, and it's just going to be a wavy line like this. Then I'm going to make another wavy line, go like this, like it's a braid. Yeah. Ooh, it looks so wavy. So once you're done sketching and you're done adjusting your picture, then you're going to take your marker and you're going to go over the lines that you want to keep. So take a minute and go slowly over your pencil marks. Alright, don't forget to color in your eye, make a circle, and then leave some white. Circle and then circle. Okay? Now you can go ahead and erase all of your pencil marks that you don't want anymore. Now you can go ahead and color in your dolphin drawing. So grab your colored pencils and let's go. If you used watercolor pencils, then you can use a brush and some water to blend all your colors together and make it look nice and smooth. Now go ahead and sign your artwork. I hope you had fun. If you had fun, will you give this a thumbs up and let me know how yours turned out in the comments below. And thanks so much for creating with us. Please subscribe and don't forget your lesson plan at createfulart.com. Check out these other beach themed art lessons that we are doing, and we will see you next time. Bye!
Bye.